Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your team on Mortal Kombat. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have the game installed, then go ahead and open it up. Once you open up the game and complete the tutorial, you will gain access to this screen. And by this time, you will have unlocked various different characters as well. So in order to edit your team before entering into battle, just go ahead and tap on any battle that you want to enter into. After you select your battle, before tapping on the fight button, you will be able to find a button which says edit team. If you tap on this button, you will be able to edit your team members before you enter the battle. To edit your team, simply swipe the cards from the bottom section, which are the cards or characters that are available for you to use in your battle. You can simply drag a character that you wish to add, and then this character will be selected while the other character will be removed from its place. You can also save your preset by tapping on Save Preset so that the combination of characters can be called easily by simply tapping on Load Preset before every battle screen. Now after you have selected your desired team, you can simply tap on the Fight button and begin your battle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your team on Mortal Kombat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.